Adam from TechFire 225 here with Ben to talk about some ball shifters. So tell us about these, where they're from, what we're using them for.
Sure. These are the 3-sim ball shifters from VEXpro. We're using them with a 6-sim mini-sim drive here. It's tried and true, used by many top teams last year. 225, we used it ourselves last year. It's a very powerful drivetrain, very effective on the field, lots of acceleration because using the 3 mini-sims versus, say, 2 sims. It really... This motor is optimized for the 40 amp breaker and everything associated with it. They just do a really good job with FRC, so it's a great motor. We love to use them. In the same vein, we used 2 of them on our elevator last year in lieu of any other type of motor. It was really great.
Yeah, I can definitely attest driving these as a driver for 3 years we had multiple configurations, but always using these ball shifters was a total dream. They handle really well. Let's say my team, we're watching this webcast, this interview, and we want to use something like this on our robot. What systems do we have to have in place to use the pneumatic ball shifting and all that?
Sure. So you're going to need either an air system or some sort of compressor, or maybe a compressor, maybe not. It's really up to you on that point, depending on how much air you need to store. But you need to have basically your air system in there. We also really like to make use of, you see here, the Grayhill encoder mounts that come with it. These are Grayhill 63Rs. It's a great encoder that we love to use on our drivetrains. We've never had one of these fail. They've always worked great, as long as you just make sure the cable's retained. That's the number one thing you got to watch for with these. But we love to use them there. That's one of the reasons that we really like the ball shifter and everything, is because it's got this, they've really thought out the encoder side of things. It makes it super easy to assemble, get them together quickly. You see we've got them together here already. And so they're just use one of the VEXpro clamping gearboxes, just get it right on a piece of frame. In our case, it's the Versa frame right here. So that's going to make it super easy to attach to our robot and get it and basically complete the whole thing. So
yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Ben. Thanks. We all know now a little bit more about ball shifters.
Yeah.